In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Bitrix24 subscription for beginners. We'll walk through the upgrade screen together, compare what each plan includes, and help you match a subscription to your team's size and needs. Start by opening your Bitrix24 workspace and clicking Upgrade Your Plan. This takes you to the pricing and features comparison page. Before you look at the plans, check the billing toggle. Monthly gives you maximum flexibility and is great if you're trialing features or budgeting month to month. Annually shows the longer-term rate and is typically more cost-effective over a year. Switch between them to see how the totals change, then keep the option that fits your commitment and cash flow. Now, review the plans from left to right. Basic is designed for solopreneurs or very small teams getting off the ground and includes 5 users. It builds on the free tier with 24 GB of storage, sales pipelines to organize deals, recurring deals for repeat business, and online payments so you can get paid directly. You also get email and WhatsApp integration, telephony, and a website builder. Choose Basic if you need a clean CRM setup, a simple sales process, and a few must-have channels without heavy automation. Next up is Standard, best for mid-sized or growing teams and includes 50 users. On top of Basic, you get 100 GB storage and unlimited leads, which is crucial as your marketing scales. It adds invoices and estimates, a web form designer, e-signature, and WhatsApp marketing. Operationally, you'll see sales automation, recurring tasks, task efficiency metrics like KPIs, and unlimited projects. Pick Standard if you're adding structure across sales and tasks, need invoicing inside your CRM, and expect a steady rise in lead volume. Professional is built for scaling companies and includes 100 users. It jumps to 1,024 GB of storage and brings AI-powered sales tools, deeper sales automation, and call tracking. Marketing expands with email campaigns and ad automation, while booking, analytics, and reporting help you measure performance. For operations, you get task time tracking, robust task automation, RPA, unlimited boards, HR management tools, and employee hours tracking. Choose Professional when you want end-to-end automation across sales, marketing, and operations. Enterprise is for organizations that need maximum security, performance, and governance, and includes 250 users. You get 3 TB of storage, unlimited branch accounts with centralized management, and distributed servers. It adds SOC-compliant hosting, a high-performance cluster, API boost, encryption at rest, dynamic load balancing, and a 99.95% SLA. You also get Active Directory integration, login history, a 30-day backup period, multi-level permissions, custom branding, and priority support. Choose Enterprise if you manage multiple entities, strict compliance, or heavy workloads at scale. Once you've compared, click the plan that aligns with your user count, storage needs, channels, and automation goals, and you're set.